very much a consortia project, and what that means is there's been a whole range of different partners coming together. We have the Library of Birmingham, and we work with the Rep, and we're working with Mechanu, who we've worked with previously, the architects, and then of course we've worked with our 4 schools, and we're very proud to be working with secondary schools who see the value in working with architects and engineers, and to bring to life that work.
It's a project funded by the Royal Academy of Engineering, and as an architect I've had an insight into help some engineers go into 4 different schools and to help them enthuse and inspire the pupils in these teams to create their own visions of what a library or a theatre of the future might look like. It's inspired by the new Library of Birmingham, so we've got on our plates in a few years a very, very exciting, internationally acclaimed building coming up.
So far in the Future Vision project, we've done lots of making things like the building, and we were designing the buildings and we were deciding where we were going to have them.
Things that have inspired my design are just trying to be a bit unique with the design of our building and trying to do something a bit different or something that isn't quite common.
My name is Reza, and we've been making a model for our design of our library. We chose this model because it's quite different to what is usually made. The best thing was, as we went through, we were getting new ideas on how to make it more stable and what would make it look better. For example, first we thought of having 1 flame, and then as we went on we had 3. It made it look more 3D.
Well, at the beginning we just drew our basic idea, and then we went on Google SketchUp to get our 3D model, and we made our own models and we tried to get them as realistic as we can. And working with Bob was cool because it's like you're having someone who's done it all. So it gave us a lot of experience and understanding.
And currently I'm based here in Birmingham for this project, the Library of Birmingham integrated with the Rep, which you can see behind us. The library wants to really engage with society and the community, and we're always happy to join that and to support wherever we can. I think it's a good opportunity as well for kids to get involved and to start thinking about their own futures.
I think the old library needs to be replaced because it was just dull and boring and grey, whereas the new one's really big and exciting and it attracts young people more because it's got the better decoration with the circles on the top.
The most inspiring place today was coming to London. As you can see, different buildings and different shapes and sizes.
This place that we're at now, the Tate Modern, has been inspiring of the way it's built and the art here.
And recently we went to Delft to see the Mechanu offices and just see what the projects they've done.
And so I thought the Mechanu offices were really interesting, like what designs they were doing, what they will make, and the models in the wood department were excellent, and the people that work there seemed to be really friendly.
Today we have been looking around buildings and looking at their architecture and all the things and the space and why the space is there.
The South has got better buildings than Birmingham because they're modern, but Birmingham's got more historic buildings.
I think the Opera House in Oslo is really good because it's modern and it's clean, but outside it looks old-fashioned, but it's still clean. It's very nice.
That the Opera House is really, really good because it's I haven't ever seen anything like this before, because you can actually, when it's snowing, you can ski off it, and it goes underground and it's just a different shape and different size, and it's just amazing, the architecture here.
What inspiring about this place is the Opera House, because it's modern and it draws people's eyes and makes you want to come here.
Well, my role on the Future Vision project is to work with young people to create a short piece of drama that's going to be performed as part of the symposium on the 7th of July, based on all their experiences that they've encountered throughout the project.
And I think it's important for young people to look at design and engineering because it would really help them to do stuff they want in the future.
It inspired me because it's made me think of more modern things and how to be stylish and how to improve things and still make it modern but still practical.
I think the best part would be going to Delft and visiting the offices, because we got to see like all the different things that they've been designing.
It's just been incredible to see them actually thinking in depth about that, you know, about how their engineering processes work. It's really helped them to perhaps have more of a voice, certainly have more confidence, as well as open their eyes to other careers.
The kids have got loads out of the project in that they've been working with industry professionals, they've been on visits, because otherwise they just sat in classrooms all day and they never get out in the real world, and as much as we'd like to, we just stand here in suits and tell them what it's like out there. It's much, much better for them to get out and experience it for themselves.
It makes a very important statement for Birmingham and its surroundings, because it becomes a heart of a city, and everybody should be able to get here and absorb this knowledge basically and think about their own futures. I mean, the future is in your own hands.